How to fix Instagram black screen on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to turn off your Wi-Fi and then go to settings, scroll all the way down until you find here battery. Click on it, and now here you will find ultra power saving mode. Now enable it. After that disable it again, and then just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Go to settings, turn on your Wi-Fi, go to apps and then apps again. Now type here Instagram, click for stop and go back, try again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.